everyone, and welcome to another video for mindful eating. I'm going to show you how to make some croissants very quickly. We're going to be rolling from this end very quickly. So from this end, like so, like this, very quickly, roll, just turn that way, and there we are, croissant. We're going to show you another one very quickly again. I'm going to do it from this end, like that. Roll. Another croissant, like that. So there we have it. The croissants have come up from the oven. Now with the puff pastry, ready-made puff pastry, it is better to cook this for maybe 10 to 15 minutes, because if you overcook it anymore, it's going to become really hard and very flaky. This is puff pastry. Now you can just see how nice and soft they are. I mean, obviously, you know, like I said, if it cooked for a bit longer, it would go too crispy and would be inedible. I hope this short makes someone very happy today.